city of mine. How I love the city of mine. It never gets me down, city of mine. How I love the city of mine. It never gets me down, yeah.
I was born in the city, I was raised on its edges. My pop work is life when it's complex. I found love in its center. If I could live here forever, think it'd be for the better. I love the weather, even though it's fog 24/7. I love the people, this is city. I met all my best friends, and I wanna thank every break.
Another Tuesday, another office day. Last time we here, we didn't actually talked, and I'm gonna be basically giving you the same vlog, but this time with the apps. So it's almost 9, got here around 7:30, and it's time for my first stand-up. So let's get into that.
How's Friday?
Let me just stop there. It's not that bad, eh? It's all about the mindset. On Friday on my side, I was out of office. Today I just picked up a new ticket. So we are taking a walk now. We just got done with stand-up. The time is about 11:17. It was not only stand-up, it was stand-up featuring sprint review, the one that I told you about, where you have to demo the work that you have done in the previous sprints or the previous weeks. I didn't really have much work there, so one of my colleagues actually did the entire end-to-end of the feature that we worked on. So that is done. I have a new ticket that I'm supposed to be working on, but it doesn't really have much information, so I'm not quite sure if I'm gonna be continuing with that today. But I've already messaged the person who's responsible for that ticket, so they will let me know if I can be able to continue with it, provide more context, because I am not quite sure what's happening there. So that's what's happening. See, now that I say that's what's happening, I remember someone pointed it out that it's not a vlog up until I say that's what's happening. So yeah, getting some sun in, taking a walk, then we're gonna head back in and we'll see what we're gonna eat today. I'm not sure if I'm gonna eat. Yeah, we're at a different office today, as I did mention earlier on. So yeah, that is what's happening, as I repeat my favorite line, I guess. So let's go on this walk, head back. Not sure if I should get some coffee, because I'm not sure if I've mentioned this, like the main office has like a barista and all of that, so the coffee, you can just go order some coffee. But here we have the coffee machine, but we don't really have like the barista, like proper coffee. So either you buy it there or you use the coffee machine. So yeah, I've already had like a cafe latte because the machine is also good. I was hungry as well. Yeah, let's continue with our walk. Okay, can you please, I don't have the link to the tickets because I wanted to explain my ticket, but if you can share. Yeah, I'm fit. You see, vlogging in the office is very, very funny, very cringe sometimes, but I don't care. I vlog anyways. You see that someone sees the camera and I'm sitting here in the lounge area, and it's like, oh, vlog. Yes, I did. So yeah, it's almost like waiting for my food here. And yeah, I got some beef stew and some hot pudding for later on. It was actually very cheap, so I got two. We are back at home. Time is roughly 3:30, and what I'm currently working on, the item that I picked up, is complete when it comes to the work wise. Just need to do a couple of tests, make sure nothing is broken, but on the DP, everything looks fine. What ended up happening is the item that I said it has little context and I'm not really understanding what happened. I reached out to the BA. Turns out it had some dependencies. By dependencies, I mean, for example, I'm just gonna make an example. Let's say I was working on an API endpoint. I need to improve it and add some enhancements, so maybe it can filter with a status of some sort. But that status that now does not exist in the database already. So someone needs to add that first before I can be able to make those enhancements or whatever that I have to do. So it's that case of a scenario. So what happens is mostly you're gonna start with a ticket that has no dependency, but when we're doing sprint planning or after sprint planning, sometimes the PAs will be allocating tickets to the devs so that when the sprint starts, you have something to work on. You don't have to be looking for work and causing some inconveniences. So trying to make the workflow like much better. So what ends up happening is while they're assigning, they might lose track and not like maybe make a mistake and assign you some work that still has some dependencies, and I think that's exactly what happened. So now what ended up happening, I ended up getting a new ticket which had no dependencies, and mostly done with it. Need to double check it, test it. Once that is fine, and then I'll push it to a PR, and then I'm not sure if I'm going to continue with the work that I was doing last week. I'm going to pick up something new. Yeah, that's the summary of my day. Nice, quick, straight and easy. Time is 22:04 now. Still have to work for about an hour or so, because remember my work started not too early. Started early but not too early, so I still have to cover for my hours as well. And then we're gonna go to the gym. We didn't go yesterday. We are hitting chest today. I'll see you then. It's gym time. Let's go.
Driving around in California, looking for something to make me stay. Round and round, forever searching.
Yeah.
Yeah, uppercut, punches got them busting up. Potion in this double cup, liquor got them buttered up. Yeah, shitting on my competition. Every track is like I got bubble guts. Fast life, buckle up. Yeah. Turn an angel into angel dust. Top rope caution, got it jumping like double dutch. Used to take a shuttle bus, I ate a struggle lunch. Turn my woes to wins, you know I had to knuckle up. Hey, big bands busting out a duffel. Bloody knuckles from the last scuffle. Putting dogs back on the muzzle. Might have kicked it for a month, we not a couple. Had to shuffle through my plays, you were getting hard to juggle. Hold up, little stubble on my face, I'm getting more mature. Cut some phonies out the squad, I'm getting more secure. Drop a project every year, I'm trying to tour some more. And travel around the world. We, baby, au revoir. I'm booked for life, catch me if you can. Yeah, hey, 100 grand popping out a rubber band. Yeah, okay. I'm booked for life, catch me if you can. Yeah, hey, 100 grand popping out a rubber band. Never let them get the upper hand. You can't tax me if you don't catch me. Catch me in the field on the route like I'm Crabtree. I branched out backseat, just making them Aggie. You not a top G, bro, you going out badly. Popped a little tab, got me feeling like Bradley. Cooperstown bound the first, second.
And that brings us to the end of the video. Before we continue with saying anything else, you know what we have to do. We have to sign the register now. Let's sign in the comment section. If you know, you already know. Let's sign in the comment section. There's a post-credit scene that you're gonna get of my jokes. I was telling jokes the next day, of course, which is today when I'm making this video. It's one a day vlog, but since I got nominated for jokes because one of my colleagues thought it's a good idea to nominate me, I was cruising so nicely. So there's a bunch of cringe jokes you can watch and tell me if we've improved, if they were funny this time. I highly doubt that they were, but anyway, thanks for watching. Make sure that you stay for the post-credit scene. I'll catch you on Wednesday. And on the other note, we released the video on Wednesday on AI engineering. Let me know what you feel about the video, if you'd like more of those kind of videos, because I'm planning on making more educational content. I know the style is kind of different from what I usually do, all serious and all business, but other than that, let me know what you think about that as well. I'll catch you on the next one. Enjoy the jokes. Okay, we can all blame FC if this is not good. What's the best part about dating a homeless girl? You can drop her off anywhere. Did you all know that Germany discovered or invented sparkling water? Because who else would add gas into water? This is for the Marvel fans. What's something common between Spider-Man and an oven? No Way Home. This is a bonus. What did the sushi A say to the sushi B? Wasabi.